are going to town. It's Saturday the 18th.
Yeah,
It's
something
raining.
like that. Yeah, it is 18.
And we have to go to town. We need to get a gas caddy, a boot brush, Harper an electric toothbrush.
Yeah, one thing about the mud out there, it really sticks to your feet. And if you have any gravel around, you're ending up with built-in gravel on your boots. And everywhere you walk, it's like you're 2 feet higher than when you started.
And he's bringing it in the RV.
Oh my God, man. It's crazy.
So today, I also did 5 loads of laundry. And it's raining. You guys seen the little washer, so that's really equivalent to maybe 2 loads of laundry. So I have 5 loads of laundry on the little dryer vent in front of the mini wood stove. So guess what else I did today? You guys are gonna have to stay tuned. I ordered a Costway mini dryer. So we'll see how that works. But we're gonna take you not grocery shopping. We're gonna go to North 40.
Hey, did you hear what she just said? She said my word, butter. She does say butter.
I didn't say butter.
Yeah, you did, but you said it with your own language, your own accent. You went butter, and you guys, you call us back. You tell us, you comment, and let us know that you heard that butter come out of her mouth. Because she's always on me about saying butter.
He says butter a lot.
Because I'm thinking in between.
And
it's those thoughts of, instead of a it's kind of like the one solid word. Wood.
But he does have a cute butter.
Oh man, I like my butter.
All right, we have to be serious.
Enough.
Okay, I'm crying now. All right, we have to go shopping.
Yeah, North 40 bound, and I got to get me some muck boots because I got my logging boots on and they get wet.
We need rain gear.
Gear.
Oh yeah, this is really cool. So my brother, Richard, who's probably watching, hi,
Richard,
suggested that I label each video with an episode.
Yeah.
And so, see, I listen. So you guys should message us, leave a comment, tell us what you want to see, what you don't want to see. But I will go back and write an episode. And then for fun, I'm going to do season 1. We'll see what season 2 looks like.
Yeah, what a good idea. It's going to be fun.
Yeah, because winter's coming. That'll be the end of this year.
It's going to be a total different life in the winter.
All right, you guys are probably done hearing us talk on our drive into town.
Yeah, rainy day.
Stay tuned.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
What are we looking for?
Oh, you know what we got to get for Tyler's bike is a quad cover.
I thought you were going to do a tarp.
I can do tarps.
This is a flat cover.
He may even
What
buy
is
a
that?
This is a flat cover.
Okay. Well, they don't have it.
We could ask. We're looking for, what are we looking for?
Fuel can.
Okay, well, let's go ask somebody. Aren't they so cute? She loves her grandpa. Where is Harper? Where is she? I don't know where she is. She's hiding. Where is she? Ta-da! I found you! Where's Harper? Where is she? There she is! Okay. Where are you?
Find the right size. Regular, smalls.
Have you seen Harper?
Whoa, there she is.
Wow.
What they call Harper?
Okay, that's fine. Which ones do you like? See, what size are those? I think these are too big. Those are cute. Oh, but I think those are too small. Just like the 3 bears. Nope, your feet are bigger than that. All right, let's find you some boots. Look at Harper's boots. She got boots. She's ready for the rain. Grandma already has boots.
Okay, let's go.
Every store.
That's Grandma.
I think we got rain gear.
Yeah, we're ready. We're ready to take on that.
And you got the boots.
And the boots. They're in the box.
Before we were debt free, we would never spend this kind of money for this.
It's cheaper than what I have.
So,
I like the way this fits.
one of the blessings.
And then I'll be wearing a brim hat because these don't come with hoods. That'll be a brim hat. Just like this.
It's my Stetson.
Yeah.
Keeps
Look
me
like
warm.
Cowboys.
And dry.
Cowboys and cowgirls.
With chainsaws.
With chainsaws. I didn't think about that. Chainsaws.
We gotta get Harper all set up.
Need a chainsaw, Harper, huh?
What?
I got splashed.
Hey,
Oh,
she got you.
This is what I used to look like when I was younger.
And I know, I'm a witness to that because I was with her when she was younger. And I witnessed that change. Really. But that didn't come out the same way that...
Honey, do you still find me attractive after 32 years?
Why, certainly. Why would I say anything else? I gotta live with you. Just kidding. Of course I do.
I just snorted.
You just snorted?
All right, now we're going to get our Presto logs. It's pouring rain. Cool.
That looks good.
Wow, look at it. It's a good thing you have airbags.
Yeah.
Wow, look at how it sinks his truck.
Good.
Thank you.
This right here is a hardwood Presto log. It's 3 7/8, which fits perfectly down our chute. And you buy it by the pellet load, and these things will burn all night, just one.
Really?
Yeah, just one.
That's what he said?
Yeah, he says doubles the burn time.
Awesome.
So we're going to be saving money by paying more. We're still saving money.
How much more did we pay?
Probably this 100 or 390, or no, 385, and then the other pellet of the softwood was smaller round, and it was 380.
So $5 more. Hello.
So it's well worth
What are
it.
you doing out there?
What
Where-
are you doing in there?
We're unloading the wood. What are you doing? Okay,
Okay.
back to work. Oh, and look, he got the truck under the RV carport. It just,
I could pull it in farther, but this could be perfect for you in the snow. Hold on.
yeah. So,
When you're not here, I'm gonna be parked here. Then I don't have to shovel snow off the windshield.
oh,
Yeah, 'cause I'll move this table.
Well, I
and I'll
really-
bring it all the way in.
I really am hoping Starlink shows up before then because I don't want to be away from my honey.
You would rather me shovel my window?
Yeah, 'cause I want to be home.
Yeah, I know, I do too. I want to. It's gonna be a fun adventure. Just everything's working out to better than we thought.
Yes.
You know, just going 18 feet wide on this port made a big difference. I got tractor storage and car storage. Who knew?
Well,
So
at least
work out
one
this-
car storage.
Well, it's at least one. That's fine, but if I ever needed to do something, I can pull over on that side and pop my hood and fix a belt or whatever. So, or have you pull out of the way and let me pull in and
I would do that for you.
have some space.
Okay. I got to get back to dinner.
All right.